Hello friends, welcome to MAT Accounting for Joint Stock Company, and we are going to discuss in this video redemption of debentures. It means a repayment of a borrowing. Let me see little detail. Redemption of debentures. A redemption of debentures means a repayment of the amount of debentures by the company. There are four ways by which the debenture can be redeemed. So redemption means it is a repayment of debenture to the debenture holder. It is a long-term loan borrowed by the company from the common public. The borrowed money the company will repay to the debenture holder. So that repayment only called as it's a redemption. So at the time of redemption, a company have four ways of redemption. That's number one is an payment in lump sum. Whatever the company borrowed, the full amount at the time of maturity, company will repay to the debenture holder. That is a payment in lump sum. Number two, payment in installments. Instead of paying a full amount and one lump sum, and company will pay in installments. And number three, purchase in the open market. Before maturity period, even the company can purchase its own debentures in the open market. This is also one type of redemption. And number four, by conversion into shares or new debentures. And also company can convert into shares at the time of maturity period with consultation of debenture holders, and also company can convert into new debentures also. In this video we are going to discuss about a payment in lump sum. Let's see. Redemption of debentures, or it is a repayment of debentures. So at the time of repayment, a company can redeem with two options. One is an redemption at par, either redemption at premium. Redemption at par means the company will repay whatever the face value of the debenture to the debenture holder. Redemption at premium means the company will pay face value plus a premium, means extra amount also company will pay to the debenture holder. Let's see the journal entry. Give the necessary journal entry at the time of redemption of debentures in each of the following cases. I took here four examples to explain at the time of redemption. So I will explain with examples each cases in the journal. Number one, A Limited issued 5,000 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at par and redeemable at par at the end of 5th year out of capital. Here the company issued at par and going to redeem at par. And number two, A Limited issued 1,000 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a par. These debentures are redeemable at 10% premium at end of 4th year. So in the second case, a company issued at par, but a company going to redeem with 10% premium. And number three, A Limited issued 12% debentures of the total face value of rupees 1 lakh at a premium of 5% to be redeemed at par at end of 4th year. In third case, if you see, a company issued at a premium, but company going to redeem at par. Always we need to consider at the time of redemption whether it is par either premium, that only we need to check. So it doesn't matter whether company issue at par, company issue at premium, company issue at discount. Always we need to consider at the time of redemption only. And number four, A Limited issued 1 lakh 12% debentures at a discount of 5% but at a premium of 5% at the end of 5th year. In this case, a company issued at a discount of 5% less than its face value, but a company going to repay more than its face value, means company going to redeem with 5% premium. Let's see each case how to record the transactions in the journal. So company borrowed 5,000 into 100, it is 5 lakh rupees, and the company going to redeem means going to repay this 5 lakh to the debenture holder. The company going to repay at par That means whatever the company collected as a face value, the same amount company going to repay it. Now we need to record the transaction. So we should make the format of date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. First transaction we should record for the due. So 9% debenture account, 5000 into 100. The number of debentures is in 5000 and rate per debenture is in 100. We need to debit 5 lakh rupees and we need to transfer this debenture to debenture holder account. To debenture holder account is in 5 lakh. Here we debited the debenture. So at the time of redemption we are going to reduce the liability in the business. According to American approach, when liability increase, we need to credit it. When liability decrease, we need to debit it. At the time of redemption, at the time of repayment, our liability going to decrease. When liability decrease, we need to debit it. So that is the reason this 9% debenture we debited here and we credited the debenture holder account, and we should write the narration being amount due on redemption of debentures. This due now company going to repay to the debenture holder through company's bank account. So second entry, payment of a debenture amount to the debenture holder. So debenture holder account debit 5 lakh rupees to bank account 5 lakh. Here we debited the debenture holder and we credited the bank. Here bank is credited according to American approach. When a bank balance increase, we need to debit it, and when bank balance decrease, we need to credit it. At the time of repayment, a bank balance going to decrease. That is the reason we credited the bank, and the receiver of the amount is a debenture holder. That is the reason we debited, and we should write the narration being payment made on debenture holders. So first entry for due, the due paid by the company to the debenture holder is in second entry. Now we will see example 2. A Limited issued 1000 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at par. These debentures are redeemable at 10% premium at the end of 4th year. In this case, a company issued at par. It means the number of debentures issued by the company 1000 and the rate per debenture is 100. So 1000 into 100, a company collected loan total 1 lakh rupees. But the company going to repay at the time of redemption 10% extra to the debenture holder. That means 1 lakh plus 10% company going to pay it. Now let's see how to record the transaction. 12% debenture account, 1000 debentures into 100 each. It is in total 1 lakh we need to debit at the time of repayment, and we need to debit premium on redemption of a debenture 1000 into 10. This 10 rupees is in the face value of the debenture is in 100, and the premium company going to pay us 10%. So 100 into 10% we will get 10 rupees. So 1000 into 10,000 rupees we need to debit it, and we need to credit the debenture holder account is in 1 lakh 10,000 rupees. We should write the narration being amount due on redemption of debenture. Here we debited debenture as well as we debited premium on redemption of debenture, because now the company going to reduce its liability. When liability decrease in business, we need to debit it. The loan amount is in liability for the business, and also additional liability 10,000 as a premium. So total 1 lakh 10,000 rupees we need to debit it, and we need to credit 1 lakh 10,000 to debenture holder account. This amount the company going to pay to the debenture holder through the bank account. The second entry, debenture holder account debit 1 lakh 10,000 to bank account 1 lakh 10,000. At the time of repayment of a debenture amount to the debenture holder, the bank balance will decrease in the company's bank account, so we need to credit the bank. According to American approach, when bank balance increase we need to debit it, when bank balance decrease we need to credit it. So at the time of repayment the bank balance decreasing, that is the reason we credited, and the debenture holder is a receiver of amount we debited, and we should write the narration being payment made on debenture holders. Next, see the example 3. A Limited issued 12% debentures of the total face value of rupees 1 lakh at a premium of 5% to be redeemed at par at the end of 4th year. In this case, a company issued total face value of debenture is in 1 lakh rupees, and the company issued at premium of 5%. So the company collected at the time of issue 1 lakh plus 5%. So total 1 lakh 5,000 rupees company collected, but we need to consider only at the time of redemption. See, at the time of redemption, company redeemed at par. That means a company going to repay only 1 lakh to the debenture holder, not 1 lakh 5,000 rupees, because it is redeemed at par. Now let's see how to record the transaction. 12% debenture account debit 1 lakh and to debenture holder account 1 lakh, as liability going to decrease in business. So if liability decrease, we need to debit. So we debited debenture and we credited to debenture holder account 1 lakh, and we should write the narration being amount due on redemption of debenture. This due, now we are going to pay in the second entry. So we need to debit the debenture holder and we need to credit the bank account. In all the cases, at the time of repayment, bank always credited. So debenture holder account debit 1 lakh to bank account 1 lakh. So the face value company redeemed. So that's what it is, an redeemed at par. The same value, whatever the par value, the company redeemed to the debenture holder, and we should write the narration being payment made on debenture holders. Let's see example 4. A Limited issued rupees 2 lakhs 12% debentures at a discount of 5%, but redeemed at a premium of 5% at the end of 5th year. So company issued 2 lakh worth of debenture at a discount of 5%. So at the time of receiving loan from the public, a company received 2 lakh minus 5%, but at the time of redemption, a company going to repay 5% extra. That means a face value 2 lakh, also company going to pay 5% to the debenture holder as a extra. Now we'll see how to record the transaction. 12% debenture account debit 2 lakh. At the time of repayment of debenture, the liability going to decrease in business. When liability decrease, we need to debit it. And also company going to pay 10,000 extra to the debenture holder. This is an additional liability for the business. This also going to reduce at the time of redemption. So we need to debit premium on redemption of debenture 10,000, and we need to credit to debenture holder account 2 lakh 10,000, and we should write the narration being amount due on redemption of debenture. This due, now company going to repay to the debenture holder. So we need to debit the debenture holder 2 lakh 10,000, but they paid at the time of issue only 2 lakh minus discount, but they are going to get 2 lakh plus 10,000, 2 lakh 10,000 rupees they are going to receive at the time of redemption, and we need to credit the bank rupees 2 lakh 10,000. Here we credited bank. Already we know when a bank balance going to decrease, we need to credit. When bank balance increase, we need to debit according to American approach, and we should write the narration being payment made on debenture holders. Hope you understood this concept. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.